Hey everybody, in this video we're going to find the distance from the blue dot to the red dot using absolute value. Okay, so first of all, come over here on your Jamboard and grab a color. Okay, and we're going to draw the absolute value sign right here. Okay, now the way you do this is we're going to first figure out the location of the blue dot. Okay, so the blue dot is at 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to put a 4 here. Okay. Then what you do is you got to find the location of the red dot, which is at -1, -2. And then to find the distance from the blue dot to the red dot, you subtract the two. Okay? So it's the absolute value of 4 minus -2. Okay? So first of all, remember when we subtract a negative, it's the same as adding, right? So this really equals the absolute value of 6, which means the absolute value of 6 is 6. And that's the answer.